Morning, dear student. Myself Rakhi Vilas Bhagwat from Physics Department, J.D. Patil Samurkar Mahavidyalaya, Daryapur. Student, your third unit is the end. Now we will start the fourth unit. मागच्या लेक्चरला ठाकरे सरांनी फोर्थ युनिट चालू केलाय, त्यातलं त्यांनी अर्धा पार्ट घेतलाय. दॅट इज मीन फ्री पार्ट पर्यंत ठाकरे सरांनी घेतलेला आहे. त्याच्यानंतरचा जो काही पॉइंट आहे तो आता आपण चालू करणार आहोत. So firstly, I will share slide. So next we will discuss about the trip velocity. ठाकरे सरांनी मेन ट्रीप पर्यंत आणि बेसिक कन्सेप्ट घेतलेला आहे. तर फोर्थ युनिट आहे. Unit 4, that is the Thakre sir already talk about motion of electron collision and mean free path. Now we will discuss the trip velocity. So firstly we discuss about the what is the trip velocity. So the definition of the trip velocity. Every material is made up of the atoms which are in turn composed of negatively charged electrons. Generally तुम्हाला माहिती आहे आपल्या इथे जेवढे मटेरियल्स आहेत ते सगळे मटेरियल एका ऍटम पासून बनलेले असतात. ओके, त्या ऍटम मध्ये निगेटिव्हली चार्ज असतात. These negatively charged electrons move in random direction within the atom. जेव्हा जे मटेरियल असतात त्या मटेरियल मध्ये निगेटिव्ह चार्ज एका रॅन्डमली डायरेक्शननी मूव्ह होतात. ओके, दिस मूवमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन जनरेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ज्यावेळेस जे चार्ज मूव्ह होतो, when each charge move with respect to time, then there is generate electricity. Charge move with respect to time is called the current. That is current. Because of current, they are generate electricity. Okay. But due to their random motion, the average velocity okay, but due to their random motion, the average velocity of electron in the material become 0. ओके, ज्यावेळेस त्याच्यावर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी तयार होते, बट ड्यू टू रॅन्डम मोशन ही रॅन्डम असल्यामुळे त्याची ऍव्हरेज वेलोसिटी काय राहते, 0 राहते. इट वॉज दी ऑब्झर्व दॅट व्हेन पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स इज अप्लाइड टू दी एंड ऑफ मटेरियल, इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेझेंट इन दी मटेरियल acquire certain amount of the velocity which cause small net flow in the one direction. Okay, suppose we apply the potential. Okay, potential, then what happen? Suppose we apply 4, then there is acquire certain amount of the velocity, and that certain amount of velocity causes the small net flow in the one direction. This velocity that causes the electron to move in the certain direction is known as the trip velocity. एखाद्या मटेरियलला, एखाद्या ऍटमला सपोज तुम्ही पोटेन्शियल अप्लाइड केलं ना, आणि तो अप्लाइड केल्यानंतर ते एका सर्टेन डायरेक्शनला मूव्ह होते आणि तिथे ती वेलोसिटी होते, त्या मूव्हिंगला जी वेलोसिटी लागते, that velocity is called the trip velocity. Secondly, average velocity attained by random moving electron when external electric field is applied. रॅन्डम मोशन मध्ये एव्हरेज वेलोसिटी केव्हा होते, ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अप्लाइड करता, which cause the electron to move toward the one direction is called the trip velocity. So then what is the trip velocity? Average velocity attained by random moving electron when external electric field is applied, which cause electron to move toward one direction, that is called the trip velocity. जेव्हा एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अप्लाइड केल्यानंतर जी काही एव्हरेज वेलोसिटी जनरेट होते आणि त्यामुळे इलेक्ट्रॉन एका पर्टिक्युलर वन डायरेक्शनला मूव्हिंग होते, that velocity, ज्या वेलोसिटी मूव्ह होते, that velocity is called the trip velocity. when external electric field is applied, electron get accelerated between collision and trip in the direction applied to the applied electric field. So mean trip velocity V is related to acceleration produced due to external applied electric field. So what is the equation? Generally we know that by using the definition of the force, we can be written as F equal to EE equal to ma. जनरली तुम्हाला माहित आहे फोर्स इक्वल टू मास इंटू एक्सेलरेशन राहते आणि फोर्स इक्वल टू ई इंटू ई राहते चार्ज इंटू इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. हे डेफिनेशन पाहिलं फोर्स इन द टर्म ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कॅन बी रिटन as F equal to EE. Force in the term of the mass acceleration can be written as force equal to ma. Force equal to ma. So where a is the acceleration, a equal to v minus 0 by t, where v is the maximum velocity between two collisions and 0 is the initial velocity. After traveling for time t, electron make another new collision. That t is called the relaxation time. So from equation 1 and 2, we put acceleration value, that is acceleration value equal to v by t, that is E equal to m into e by t. From this equation, from equation 1 and 2, we can be written as the E upon m. From या equation मध्ये पाहिलं तर तुम्ही acceleration equal to काय लिहू शकता E upon the m, that is acceleration equal to E upon the m, and here the value of acceleration is the v by t, that is the v by t. From this we can be written as the, from this equation we can be written as v equal to EET upon the m. The term EET upon the m is called the drift velocity. So what is the drift velocity? Drift velocity is the average velocity attained by random moving electron when external electric field applied, which cause the electron move toward one direction, is called the drift velocity. Drift velocity मध्ये आपण external electric field apply करतो and then we solve the equation. We get drift velocity formula is the EET upon the m. Next is the electrical conductivity. So what is the electrical conductivity? Electrical conductivity is the property of material that determines how well given material will conduct the electricity. Okay, electrical conductivity क्या करते? Electrical conductivity क्या करते? Conduct electricity करते. Okay, electrical conductivity is conducting electricity. That is, we say that electric conductivity is a property of material that determines how well a given material will conduct the electricity. Electrical conductivity is closely related to the resistivity. That is, the electrical conductivity can be written as the sigma equal to 1 by rho. That is, the electrical conductivity is equal to reciprocal of the resistivity. Okay, conductivity is the reciprocal of the resistivity. That is, electrical conductivity is the conductive electricity, that is sigma equal to 1 by rho. Sigma equal to 1 by rho, where sigma is the conductivity, that is SI unit of the sigma is meter upon the ohm, and the resistivity is the ohm per meter. Okay, conductivity का रहते meter per ohm and resistivity is the ohm per meter. Electrical conductivity can be defined as how much voltage is required to get amount of electric current to the flow. Electric conductivity काय म्हणते? एखादा जर करंट फ्लो होत असेल तर त्या होणाऱ्या फ्लोच्या करंटला किती व्होल्टेज लागते? That is called the electrical conductivity. Okay, that is electrical conductivity tell us the how much voltage is required to get an amount of the electric current to the flow. Now next we will discuss about the expression for the electrical conductivity and the Ohm's law. Consider a conductor of length L, area of cross section A. Suppose आपण एक कंडक्टर घेतला, त्या कंडक्टरची लेंथ L आहे आणि एरिया A आहे. The current I is proportional to voltage drop. Generally we know that by using the Ohm's law, current voltage is directly proportional to current. That is the electric current I is proportional to voltage drop V across the conductor, which is the Ohm's law. Generally we know that Ohm's law V equal to IR. Ohm's law V equal to IR. From this equation, V can be written as I equal to V by R. I equal to V by R. Suppose we divided both side area. We divided both side area. What happened? I by A, V upon AR. Suppose we divide both side काय केलं आपण? Area ने जे divide केलं, that is we get this equation I by A and V upon AR. Now suppose in this equation we divide and multiply by length. आपण या इक्वेशन ला नंतर काय केलंय? Divide and multiply by length केलं. That is L into V A upon that is L into V upon the AR here. Now we define another quantity. Suppose this quantity is the current density. We know that current density is the current per unit area. Current plus per unit area. And electrical conductivity can be written as the sigma equal to L upon Rn. And electric field is the V by L. Electric field is the V by L. तर सपोज या सगळ्या व्हॅल्यू जर आपण इथे पुट केल्या, I बाय A काय झालेलं आहे? करंट डेन्सिटी. त्याच्यानंतर L अपॉन AR काय झालेला आहे? इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिव्हिटी. अँड व्होल्टेज अपॉन L काय झालेला आहे? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड झालेला आहे. जर सगळ्या व्हॅल्यू आपण पुट केल्या तर तुम्हाला फायनली काय भेटते? J इक्वल टू सिग्मा E. J equal to sigma E. This formula can be generated from the Ohm's law. That is J equal to sigma E, which is Ohm's law in the general form. Our aim to find expression for the electrical conductivity. We use the above equation. That is from this equation we can be written as sigma equal to J by E. Sigma equal to J by E. Substitute definition of J back in the above equation. We can be written as sigma equal to I upon A. ह्याच्यात काय केलेलं आपण? सिग्मा इक्वल टू J by E मध्ये J ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे? I by A आहे. तर ती I by A इथे पुट केली तर तुम्हाला भेटते सिग्मा इक्वल टू I upon A. Now we need to find the expression for the current I in conductor. Let and be the number of electrons per unit volume of the conductor. Vd be the trip velocity of electron with charge E. Then number of electrons crossing any cross section per unit area time is the NVDA. Okay. जर number of electrons जर आपल्याला find out करायचं असेल एखाद्या एरिया मधला तो किती राहील? NVDA. Therefore current passing through any cross section conductor एखादा करंट पास होत असेल तर तो किती राहील? NEVDA. Okay. Then the value of I put this equation we get sigma equal to NEVDA upon AE. Here the AE cancel, we get the conductivity NEVD upon the E. NEVD upon the E. Okay. This is the okay. Sigma काय भेटला? NEVD upon the E. Using equation, trip velocity can be written as EET by M in above equation. The trip velocity ची आता आपण by definition value find out केली. Trip velocity ची definition find out केली. That is तुम्हाला माहित आहे trip velocity definition ही ED by M. आता आपण ट्रिप वेलोसिटी व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट केली होती ती त्या व्हॅल्यू किती होती या इक्वेशन मध्ये? दॅट इज EET by M. That is this value put here. This value put here, we get the sigma equal to NEVD. Put here the trip velocity. We get the sigma equal to NEET by M. That is the here E is the E square. That is we can be written as the sigma equal to NE square. Here E cancel. We get the NE square T by M. NE square T by M. This is the electrical conductivity expression. Okay.